Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well today. If this video helps you, don't forget to asterisk like the video and subscribe to the channel asterisk for more useful tutorials and solutions. So let's get started. First, let's open Google and search for Windows Sandbox ***. As you can see, this is the official Microsoft website ***, and this page provides the official guide and information about Windows Sandbox. So what exactly is Windows Sandbox? Windows Sandbox is a lightweight and isolated desktop environment that allows you to safely run applications, test files, explore unknown software, and experiment with different tools without affecting your main Windows system. It uses hardware-based virtualization to keep the sandbox environment isolated from your host operating system. You can think of it as a temporary virtual machine. However, unlike a traditional virtual machine, Windows Sandbox is very quick to start and uses fewer resources. Another important feature is that Windows Sandbox is disposable ***. When you close Windows Sandbox, everything inside it is deleted automatically, including installed applications, files, and any changes you made. The next time you open Windows Sandbox, you get a completely fresh environment. Also, applications installed on your main Windows system are not automatically available inside the sandbox. If you need a specific application, you have to install it directly inside Windows Sandbox. Now let's see how to install Windows Sandbox. The first method is directly through Windows. Open the Start menu and search for **Windows Features**. Then select Turn Windows Features on or off **. In the list, look for **Windows Sandbox **. Check the box next to it and click **OK**. Windows will now search for the required files and activate the feature. This process may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, Windows may ask you to *restart your computer *. Restart the system, and after Windows starts again, Windows Sandbox should be available. Method 2 PowerShell. If you cannot find or enable Windows Sandbox through the Windows Features menu, you can also activate it using **PowerShell**. On the official Microsoft guide, you can find the command required to enable Windows Sandbox. Simply copy the command from the Microsoft website. Then open PowerShell as administrator ***. Paste the command into PowerShell and press **Enter***. Windows will now enable the required components. This process can take a few minutes, so just wait until it is finished. Once the process is complete, Windows may ask you to restart the computer. After restarting, Windows Sandbox should be ready to use. Now, let's open Windows Sandbox and see how it works. Open the Start menu and search for **Windows Sandbox**. Click on it, and Windows will launch a completely isolated desktop environment. As you can see, it looks similar to a normal Windows desktop. The main advantage is that you can use this environment to test applications or suspicious files without directly installing them on your main system. For example, you can copy a file from your main Windows system and paste it into Windows Sandbox. You can then test the file inside the isolated environment. This can be especially useful when you're not sure whether a file or application is safe. Just remember that Windows Sandbox is temporary. When you close it, everything inside the sandbox will be deleted. Your main Windows system remains unchanged. And that's basically how Windows Sandbox works. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Windows tutorials and solutions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.